Welcome to the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Wednesday evening, June 18th, 2025, and we have a lineup of technology headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Keen, the human-centric AI toolbox designed for simplicity and real-life solutions. Keen, the human-centric AI toolbox is revolutionizing the tech landscape with its user-friendly approach to artificial intelligence. Unlike complex AI models, Keen offers practical solutions for everyday needs, making AI accessible to students, professionals, and everyday users. With over 40 tools available on a single platform, Keen simplifies tasks like crafting cover letters, generating business plans, and creating social media content. Designed for non-technical users, Keen ensures a seamless experience from start to finish. By focusing on functionality and user experience, Keen is making a real impact in the lives of its users, offering results that matter. Stay tuned for Keen's continued growth and expansion in response to user feedback and demand.
DigiPay Guru expands global reach with new cross-border payment capabilities. DigiPay.Guru, a leading provider of next-generation digital payment solutions, has expanded its cross-border payment platform globally. This upgrade aims to streamline cross-border transactions for banks, fintech companies, and financial institutions worldwide. By offering a faster, more transparent, and highly interoperable platform, DigiPay.Guru is enhancing accessibility for users around the world. The company's commitment to inclusivity and efficiency is evident in this latest advancement. With features like multi-currency support, peer-to-peer remittances, bulk payments, and AML screening, DigiPay Guru is revolutionizing the global payment landscape. The company's flexible API-first architecture and plans to support blockchain and digital currencies further solidify its position as a key player in the evolving fintech industry.
Investor news breaks. Aegis Capital Corp announces completion of $4.3 million public offering for Stardust Power, NASDAQ SDST. Aegis Capital Corp has successfully closed a $4.3 million underwritten public offering for Stardust Power Inc., NASDAQ SDST, a developer of battery-grade lithium products. The offering included 21,500 shares of common stock at 20 cents per share. Aegis has a 45-day option to purchase up to 3,225 additional shares. Proceeds will fund the completion of the definitive feasibility study for Stardust Power's proposed lithium processing facility in Muskogee, Oklahoma. Aegis Capital Corporation, in business for over 40 years, offers investment banking, wealth management, insurance, and more through its primary clearing relationship with RBC Clearing and Custody. For more information, visit aegiskeepcorp.com.
Lesdo TechMed launches seamless medical record review billing through CaseDrive. Lesdo TechMed, a leading medical record review outsourcing firm, has launched a new medical record review billing system called CaseDrive. This innovative tool promises a seamless and transparent billing experience for clients, including IMEs, QMEs, law firms, insurance firms, and life care planners. CaseDrive, powered by AI, offers real-time billing visibility, automated invoicing, flexible billing cycles, tailored billing packages, and specialized billing summaries. With this launch, Lesdo TechMed aims to eliminate hidden fees, confusing invoices, and delayed payments, providing clients with complete transparency and peace of mind in their medical record review services.
Biomed news breaks. Intelligent Biosolutions Inc., NASDAQ INBS, to deploy fingerprint drug testing system across MWS sites in Australia. Intelligent Biosolutions Inc., listed on NASDAQ as INBS, will deploy its intelligent fingerprinting drug screening system across Managed Waste Service, MWS sites in New South Wales, Australia. This move by MWS marks its first transition to in-house on-site drug testing for various purposes. The system provides non-invasive results in under 10 minutes, allowing for quick safety decisions without disrupting operations. INBS continues to expand its reach in safety-critical industries, with over 450 organizations in 24 countries using its scalable drug testing technology. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link. Sologenics Inc., NASDAQ SNGX, proprietary therapy shows promise in treatment of psoriasis. Sologenics Inc., listed on NASDAQ as SNGX, has developed a promising therapy for the treatment of psoriasis. Their SGX 302 utilizes visible light to reduce inflammation and promote skin healing, with a Phase 2A study showing it to be well tolerated with no significant adverse events. Psoriasis, affecting 3% of the adult population in the U.S., can have a significant impact on daily life. Sologenics is leading the way in innovative psoriasis treatments, with SGX 302 currently in Phase 2A clinical trials. This novel treatment aims to address mild to moderate psoriasis, a condition that affects over 7.5 million individuals in the U.S. Stay updated on Sologenics news at their newsroom website.
Investor news breaks. Heartbeam Inc., NASDAQ beat, secures 2 new patents advancing 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. Heartbeam Inc., listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, has recently secured 2 new U.S. patents that enhance its 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. These patents protect the core technologies behind Heartbeam's compact cable-free 3D ECG device and its rhythm analysis algorithm for identifying arrhythmias. The device, designed for on-demand symptom recording and 12-lead ECG synthesis, is currently under FDA review. With a total of 20 issued patents and 34 additional filings, Heartbeam is solidifying its position in digital cardiac care innovation, with plans to incorporate AI capabilities for enhanced diagnostic accuracy in the future. Investor news breaks. Heartbeam Inc., NASDAQ BAT, secures 2 new patents advancing 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. Heartbeam Inc., listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, has secured 2 new U.S. patents that enhance its 3D ECG and cardiac monitoring technology. These patents protect the core technologies behind Heartbeam's compact cable-free 3D ECG device and its rhythm analysis algorithm for identifying arrhythmias. The device collects high-fidelity signals in 3 non-coplanar directions using chest and finger electrodes, allowing for on-demand symptom recording and 12-lead ECG synthesis. The rhythm algorithm triggers targeted data collection during abnormal rhythm detection, improving diagnostic precision. With a total of 20 issued patents and 34 additional filings, Heartbeam is at the forefront of digital cardiac care innovation, with plans to incorporate AI capabilities for enhanced diagnostic accuracy. California to fast-track largest project for battery energy storage. California is set to build the largest battery energy storage system in the world with the Darden Clean Energy Project. This project has received fast-track approval through California's opt-in certification program, aiming to achieve full clean energy transition by 2045. SolarBank Corp is one of the industry players benefiting from this rapidly expanding market for BESS facilities. The project marks a significant step towards a cleaner and more sustainable energy future for California. Biomed news breaks. Nutriband Inc., NASDAQ NTRB, advances Aversa fentanyl with Candiva to commercial manufacturing scale. Nutriband Inc., NATRB, has successfully scaled up the commercial manufacturing process for its lead product, Aversa fentanyl, in collaboration with Candiva, a global CDMO. This product integrates Nutriband's Aversa abuse deterrent technology with Candiva's FDA-approved fentanyl patch, produced at Candiva's U.S.-based transdermal facility. The next step involves producing clinical supplies and submitting an investigational new drug application for a human abuse liability study. Nutriband projects peak U.S. sales for Aversa fentanyl between $80 million and $200 million, with global market ambitions supported by an extensive international patent portfolio. Solowin Holdings, NASWIN, is one to watch. Solowin Holdings, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SWIN, is a company to watch. Providing a range of financial services, including traditional and digital assets, SolarWind serves high net worth and institutional investors globally. Through its platforms, Solomon Win and Solomon VA Plus, clients have access to brokerage, investment banking, asset management, and Web3 services. The company's strategic investments, like the $10 million contribution to AlloyX, showcase its commitment to fintech innovation. With experienced executives at the helm, SolarWind is poised for continued global growth. For more information on SolarWind Holdings, visit their newsroom. InvestorWire is a communications platform specializing in press release syndication for companies and the investment community. Investor news breaks. Newton Golf Company Inc. NASDAQ NWTG signs Miguel Angel Jimenez following victory with fast motion shaft. Newton Golf Company Inc. NWTG has signed PGA Tour champion star Miguel Angel Jimenez following his victory at the Principal Charity Classic using Newton's fast motion shaft. This marks Jimenez's 16th PGA Tour Champions title and the second tour victory for Newton's motion shaft line. The fast motion shaft, launched in April 2025, features advanced carbon fiber construction and proprietary performance technologies for speed, control, and consistency. Newton's impact in professional tours continues to grow, with Doug Barron's major win in 2024. Newton Golf, formerly Saks Parente, is committed to revolutionizing golf equipment design using Newtonian principles to create precision-engineered clubs for stability and performance.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.